Most people waste 3 to 5 years trying to learn a new language. Teachers, flashcards, apps, nothing really works. But what if I told you there's a simple way that can get you fluent in 12 months? No grammar books, no boring classes, no expensive courses. Just 30 minutes of your time a day, and that's it. In this video, I'll show you how to become fluent in any language from zero using only your phone or computer. My name is George. I'm not a native English speaker, and I've never lived in any English-speaking countries, but now I am fluent. I became an English teacher and helped thousands of people to do the same. So trust me, this works. There are only 3 main skills that you need to master: vocabulary, pronunciation, and grammar. And here, what I'm going to say next is where a lot of people do mistakes. Most people start learning grammar first, and they try to sound 100% correct from day one. They want to speak perfectly, which is impossible. That's why they waste years, and what you need to do instead is focus on vocabulary first. If you don't know words, you can't say them, and you can't understand them either, basics. So step 1, vocabulary. Learn 15 new words every day, not 30, not 50, just 15. Review them weekly. Sunday is perfect for this. Learning 15 words a day adds up to 450 words a month. And over a year, that's more than enough to communicate comfortably and gradually build fluency. But how do you learn them effectively? Use the association method. Don't just repeat words like a robot. Connect each word to an image, a short story, or something personal. That way it sticks in your brain. Next, practice listening to these words in real speech. Comprehension is the master key to learning languages. Watch cartoons in your target language or YouTube videos from native speakers. Grammar lessons are perfect here, I believe, because they speak clearly and a bit slower. And as you listen, you'll pick up grammar naturally while training your ears. Now, pronunciation. Most people ignore this at the beginning, but that's a huge mistake. If you learn how to pronounce words wrong now, it's 10 times harder to fix it later. So start from day one. Listen more and say the words out loud. Once again, out loud. That's the only way to train your mouth muscles. Here's what you do to work on your pronunciation. First, you can try shadowing technique. Listen to a native speaker and immediately repeat after them. Copy their rhythm, stress, and intonation. Second, record yourself. Compare your voice to the original. You'll notice mistakes and improve faster. And third, minimal pairs. Practice tricky sounds like women versus women, seat versus seat, leave versus leave. This makes your accent clearer and helps your listening too. Just 10 minutes a day will make a massive difference. Finally, right? Grammar. Yes, it's important, but not the way most people think. You don't need to memorize hundreds of rules or speak perfectly on day one. Making mistakes is completely fine. Everyone does it, even native speakers. I'm an English teacher and I make mistakes sometimes too. Because we don't always think about grammar when it comes to speaking casually, so don't overthink it, especially at the beginning. Learn grammar in context while you're learning vocabulary and listening. Notice how sentences are built. Pick one grammar pattern each week, like the past tense or conditionals, and make your own examples using the new words you've learned. Write 3 to 5 sentences and say them out loud with the words you learned today or this week. Record yourself saying these sentences and voila, you've practiced 3 main skills in less than 30 minutes. And remember, grammar should help you express yourself and not stop you from speaking. That's it. 30 minutes a day, miss a day, no problem. Just start again tomorrow. What matters is the habit, not perfection. Most people overcomplicate language learning, but this simple, consistent method works if you stick with it. Start today or even tomorrow, and in a year, you'll thank yourself, I promise. Which language are you learning? Share it in the comments. I'd love to hear your goals. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more language tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao for now.